Velvety, fresh garlic puree, white wine, and sweet chunky tomatoes make this famous Tuscan pasta sauce unforgettable. Traditionally served with thick handmade noodles called pici, this delicate tomato garlic sauce is every garlic lover's dream. Let's get started. The star ingredient in this traditional Tuscan pasta is elephant garlic, called aglione in Italian. This is a regular bulb of garlic, and this is the aglione. Although it looks like garlic, elephant garlic is closely related to the leek family and is much milder than regular garlic. If you can find elephant garlic, you'll need about 3 cloves for this sauce. If using regular garlic, use much less. You can follow our recipe, but use the amount of garlic needed to achieve the level of garlicky flavor that you enjoy. With the garlic, we create a smooth puree with a little bit of olive oil. Here we are indeed using the famous aglione, which we purchased from a small Italian market in Tuscany. Also, you'll want to avoid store-bought garlic puree, which isn't as fresh and has preservatives such as citric acid that will dramatically change the flavor of the sauce. We'll need 2 types of tomato for this sauce. About 14 ounces of smooth, unseasoned tomato puree to help the sauce cling to the pasta, and crushed whole peeled tomatoes to add juicy bites of sweetness to the sauce. For the latter, we need about 1 pound of tomato pulp, which is about 2 28-ounce cans of whole peeled tomato, drained and crushed. Look for San Marzano tomatoes from a can. Remove the seeds with filtered water and then blend to a pulp. The seeds and water and tomatoes add acidity. We lose nothing by removing them and gain a sweeter, more flavorful tomato pulp. Here we're using an immersion blender to do the job. In the end, the pulp should have a coarse consistency like this. Our preparation's complete. We're ready to make our sauce. We cover the bottom of a large skillet or pan with olive oil. Then, in goes the creamy garlic puree. Cooked over low heat, stirring frequently. We absolutely don't want the garlic to change color, so drop the heat if this starts to happen. This is the most important step of the whole recipe, in fact. Don't overcook the garlic. If you do, it will have an unpleasant, bitter taste no matter how delicate the garlic. A bit more olive oil, a few tiny red chili peppers, and we just need to wait for the garlic to infuse with the olive oil, about 2 to 3 minutes. Oh yeah, that garlic smells amazing. Then we add a splash of dry white wine. White wine is the secret ingredient for so many Italian classics. We're reducing this wine over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, or until it has completely evaporated. After the wine has evaporated, in goes the tomato pulp. The tomato puree, and a glass of water. Cover and cook over low heat for about 25 minutes. Salt to taste. Oh yeah, our garlic pasta sauce is ready and it's fantastico. This tomato garlic sauce is traditionally served over Tuscan pici. Our Italian grandma will show you how to whip up pici pasta at home in our video recipe. If you can't find pici, we recommend another thick, fresh pasta noodle, or use dried spaghetti or spaghettone. Here, of course, we are using fresh pici pasta. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh pasta, or pasta for 4. Variations of pici pasta are popular in almost every region of Italy, where the thick handmade pasta goes by different names and may or may not have eggs. One bite of this incredible Tuscan garlic sauce, and you'll know why this is an Italian favorite. E buon appetito! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to click the bell to receive notifications when a new recipe becomes available.